Now it's time to put your skills into action because understanding concepts is one thing, but training your eye is what actually builds mastery. In this session, we are going to practice analyzing real faces. The goal is not perfection, it's awareness and pattern recognition. Spot the genuine versus fake emotion. Start by looking at different smiles. Ask yourself, are the eyes involved or just the lips? Do the cheeks rise naturally? Does the expression look relaxed or controlled? Train your brain to notice real emotions feel natural. Fake ones feel managed. Second exercise, catching the micro expression. Now look at expressions that change quickly. Even in images, try to imagine the transition. What emotion might have appeared before the neutral face? Does anything feel slightly off or incomplete? In real life, this happens in milliseconds. Your job is to train your attention to catch brief emotional flashes. Next exercise is identifying the emotion. Look at different faces and ask, which of the seven universal emotions is this? What specific cues help you decide? Eyes, eyebrows, mouth? This builds your emotional vocabulary, which is critical for real time detection. Spot incongruence. Now focus on mismatches. Does the face fully match the emotion being expressed? Is there tension where there shouldn't be? Do the eyes and mouth tell different stories? This is where hidden emotions often reveal themselves. How to practice daily. You don't need special tools, just awareness. Watch interviews, podcasts, or real conversations. Observe people in everyday interactions. Replay moments mentally and ask, what did I miss? Start slow, focus on one thing at a time. Maybe just the eyes or just the timing of expressions. One important reminder, this is not about judging people or jumping to conclusions. You are training your brain to observe, not assume. Assumptions are always harmful. At first, you will see small details, then patterns, and eventually you will start recognizing emotional signals almost instantly without any effort. And here's the exciting part. Once your observation sharpens, you will realize that faces are constantly communicating, even when words are trying to hide the truth. This is where your skill truly begins to come alive.